Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll guide you through the process of changing colors in CapCut PC. But before we dive in, don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Let's get started. First, import the footage you want to edit into CapCut PC. Simply drag it onto the timeline and you're ready to roll. Step 1. Access color editing. Now, let's uncover the magic of color editing. Head over to the right side of your toolbar. Look for the adjustment option and click on it. Step 2. Utilize HSL, hue, saturation, and luminance. This is where the real fun begins. With HSL, you have the ability to effortlessly change the color of any object in your footage. Step 3. Adjust colors. To start changing colors, simply drag the sliders and observe the captivating transformations. Fine-tune the settings until you achieve the precise color you desire. It's as easy as that. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change colors in CapCut PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you're eager to expand your editing skills further, check out our video on how to expertly remove green screens. Simply click on the right video. I will see you there. Thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.